Hello, my name is Haley Nicole Ramzinski, and I was born at precisely 3:33 a.m. on December 29th in Corpus Christi, Texas. Ever since I was a little girl, I dreamed about becoming a teacher. In high school, I began to acquire a distinct passion for language and literature. For this reason, I decided to transfer to Angelo State University and major in English while also pursuing a secondary teacher certification. My goal, when I become an English teacher, is to show my students my personal qualities such as my passion, dedication, and my faith. I consider myself to be a passionate person because I love and cherish every moment with the ones I love. I also have a passion for famous works of literature, the beauty and eloquence that formulate famous works like a Donne poem or Shakespeare play enhance and make language enjoyable. I also consider myself to be dedicated, since I am determined never to let anything deter me from my dreams. Finally, I believe that I am full of faith because I know that anything is possible when God is in your life. I place my faith in God and anyone who strives to make their dreams come true. My parents, Kenneth and Tracy Ramzinski, have taught me that everything I dream of will come in due time as long as I work hard and have faith. I am truly blessed to have a wonderful family who supports me in all the phases of my life and encourages me to follow my dreams. I hope that one day I will have the chance to work at a school in the Northeast Independent School District, as well as to inspire and encourage my future students to pursue their dreams like my family continues to do for me.